Alex, we need to talk about the fish situation.
Oh no, not again. I'm so sorry, Jordan. It won't happen again, I promise.
That's what you said last time. The entire office is complaining about the smell.
I know. It's just that my doctor says I need to eat more fish for my health.
Then eat it cold or outside the office. This is a direct order, Alex.
But it tastes so much better when it's warm and flaky.
I don't care. No more microwaving fish in the office. Period.
Okay, I understand. Asterisk secretly puts another fish in the microwave asterisk.
Alex, I can smell it from here.
Oops, my finger must have slipped. I'll just enjoy this last one, boss. Promise.
Thank you. And please open a window in there.
You got it, boss. I'll air it out. Just like my culinary creativity being stifled.